This is a DMC Technosand. It was manufactured in 1999. It wasn't put in production until 2001. Within the last 6 months, the controller, the Hydra 35, was completely rebuilt. So since then, you got 12 hours of actual operation. On hours was 45 hours. As the machine was being ran, we kept the boards you run. This represents how the machine is ran. You run boards to the left, you run boards to the right. If you run them all in the center, that's not good. You don't utilize the full capacity of your sanding paper. Right now it's set up, you got the calibration head, you have the segmented platen, then you have the blow off. You can then control the calibration when blow off occurs, before or after, or you can have it continuous. You can have it so the board engages so far into or right on the edge. By doing this, you can create a pillow effect, so you sort of have a little heavy lead in and a little heavy lead out, and then from side to side a little bit heavy. It creates like a pillow. Or you can calibrate it back and have it so it's completely flat. Right now we're going to be running the board 0.74. We're going to have the first unit on, the calibration, have the second unit on, then we're going to have the vacuum pump on. So it's turning on the calibration head, the first head. Now the segmented platen head's turned on. Now the vacuum pump is turning on. After the vacuum pump gets up, then the conveyor turns on. A little bit rough piece, not very well. We got it set up for calibration, so we got a little bit here on the lead end.